Now, before we really get into the meat of this video, I will let you know that I built this kit a little bit differently this time. I actually built the inner frame first because of the way this thing is put together. Now, it is an older kit, so it does come with a small action figure. As you can see here, it's Kashu of Mobile Fighter G Gundam. And I ended up actually painting this, although I didn't record it because it was just too much time and I didn't have enough space on my camcorder. Now, as I was saying, I did build the inner frame first, and I don't have any footage of that, which is unfortunate. But I did that, and then later I painted it, which, of course, I didn't record any footage of. That was it. That's just a simple, not a warning, but just a, yeah. Alright. Enjoy the video. So this is the Shining Gundam, the finished product. As you can see, I painted the Domo Crusher figure black and red, and there are hints of yellow with each of his electrical ports that he has. I'm not quite sure what they are. I did use a cardboard box to shade because there's just too much light outside. But the figure itself, the actual Gundam, instead of using the thick black stickers that are used for the lines on the feet and waist area, I painted that black, as well as painting all of the inner yellow frame parts gold, with parts of the head gold as well. I did keep the guns in the waist and the head crest, the V-fin, if you will, of the actual Gundam, its original yellow color, but otherwise I simply added panel lines and painted the inside yellow. And also, just a little tidbit, I actually lost a little metal part for the arm and didn't end up finding it until 3 weeks later. So that's just a little thing. But anyways, I thank you all so much for watching, and as always, peace.